In this video, I will show you how to create a folder on MacBook. Go to your desktop home screen, right-click your mouse or double-tap your trackpad. Select New Folder from the menu, name your folder and it will appear on the desktop. There is another method to create new folder. Select the files like pictures, docs or videos you want to include in the folder. Right-click or double-tap on the selected files. Choose New Folder with selection from the menu. A new folder containing your selected items will be created. Drag it to the desktop if needed. Both methods are useful depending on your needs. The second method is faster when organizing multiple files. So now you know how to create a folder on your MacBook. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.